What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. This is a video that I've been waiting to make, or just been waiting to make happen, but I got a package today, so let's check it out. Alright, look at this big boy already. What the fuck? Why is this just out like that? But anyways, as y'all can see, the Widebody kit did come in. I only got the fenders for right now because I just want to do that right now. I'll get it out the way, and then I'll eventually get the bumper and the lip and some tires. But I ordered the Ikon Motorsports Widebody fenders. I ordered some spacers as well to complement it, some 2-inch spacers. I also ordered some vinyl wrap that I'm going to be using to wrap these fenders. So I'm not gonna be painting them. I'm gonna just go with the wrap rather than trying to go pay a band or two to get somebody to paint them. So yeah, let's unbox and see what we got. Let's check you out. I'm not the only one that got a package today. Look at this, man. Oh my gosh.
Semi-automatic.
Don't point that at me, man.
Ain't nothing in
there. That's crazy. All right, let me get a good angle so I can set y'all up, as you can see. But oh shit. Yeah, finally got the fenders. Oh my gosh. Feels so surreal. That's 1, 2. These are a little harder to get out. Okay, that's why. The front of it. Then got the back bottom piece. Shit. The brackets are right here. The side markers. Damn, there's some fat ass side markers. I don't know what brand of tape this is, but you can tell it's not 3M. I see why people don't want to use it. And yeah, that's everything. It's crazy. I'm happy as fuck to do this. We got a big project ahead of us, but nothing that we can't do, for sure. Damn, that's crazy. Well, Widebody coming soon. What's good, gang? We back at it. Today I woke up and the vinyl did come in. So yeah, got our vinyl in. Damn, it's heavy as fuck. 25 feet of vinyl. So alright, so I'm gonna try to start bracket by bracket. I got the rear right side bracket. The pieces, they do not come labeled, but I labeled them and everything just for my benefit. The two, I just at the end. Slow. Ain't no going back. For the adhesion that I'm using, I already drilled the brackets onto the car. To stick it on the car, I'm using 3M tape. I had this 3M tape left over from my louvers in the back. So I'm gonna use a 3M tape and I'm gonna place it along the edges around here. But got our first part stuck to the car, so that's permanent right there.
Perfect.
Once you really just put the brackets on and go for it, you gotta make it happen at that point. And of course, I still gotta wrap them and everything, but as far as putting them on, I should complete that tonight. So that's the goal. That's the goal.
Perfect.
spacers. Got it jacked up. Heavy. Went with the 2-inch spacers. That's the final product. Widebody boys. To reward myself for finishing that, got me a little something, nothing too serious, but I got me a Dodge keychain from Amazon. Getting to a year now, and I'm still using the dealership tag. But appreciate all y'all for watching the video. I might make another video on the process of the Widebody and everything it took to get it on, but yeah, finally Widebody boys. But I got a fun toy next, so stay tuned for the next video, next Challenger mod. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, fuck with me.